Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of shopping list for the Magento 2 platform. And in today's video tutorial I'll be showing you how the guests and the customers would be able to create their shopping list so as to add the products that they want to purchase at a later time within the store itself. So apart from that, we'll also be showing you the backend configuration that is required for this shopping list for Magento 2 plugin. And the guest users will only be able to add their products into one shopping list, while the customers will be able to create multiple shopping lists as required and can add and manage the products within the shopping list itself. So let's go to the front end and let's see how this shopping list for Magento 2 works. So first we'll be checking the guest user section. So for that, let me take you to the front end now. So right now I'm at the jackets section from from the category, as you can see here, and just below this shopping cart we have this one shopping list available. And right now I've not logged in, so you can see the sign in button at the top. So for example, now I want to add some products in my shopping list that I want to purchase at a later time. So as soon as I hover my mouse, you'll be able to see this add to shopping list button. Just tap that up and this brings up the guest shopping list. So just tap on the guest shopping list and the product gets added to the shopping list. So here you can see that right now we're having a round neck t-shirt. So we can also tap here on the view details link. So let me open that up in another window. And let's add one more product. So I'll just choose the attributes for that blue from shopping guest shopping list. Now this particular product would also be added into my shopping list. So right now you can see that I have one shopping list, and within that I'm having two items for $45. One is the round neck t-shirt and the other one is Proteus fitness jack shirt. Now I had told you that we can view the details as well from here, so let me take you there. But before that, let me show you where else can we make use of this particular add to shopping list button. Right now I'm at the watches category, and you can see after hovering my mouse I can see the add to shopping list button, and if I drop down on that I can add this particular product to the cart as well as a guest. So I'll just tap that up and that would add this particular product into my shopping list. And if I scroll upwards, you can see that the product is successfully added. And here you can see that right now we have 3 items and the total is $137. So now let me tap here on the view details link and let's see what it brings up. And before that, let me go to the product page. So from category page and the product page, the customer or the user would be able to add the particular product into the shopping list. So now we are going to the product page, and on the product page itself you can see the add to shopping list drop down, and just tap there and let me scroll down a bit first. So tapping that up brings up the guest shopping list, and from here the guest user can add this particular product to the cart as well. So let me tap on the guest shopping list to add to the shopping list for the guest, and after that let's scroll up. You can see that the product has been added successfully. The guest has one shopping list with 4 items and the cost is $191. So the guest shopping listing is here. You can see that we have the round neck t-shirt, the other one. Now I'll just open the view details for this particular shopping list. So here we are on the shopping list. So basically it shows the complete products that are there within your shopping list for the guest users there. So from here the guest users can basically delete any of the products that they have added into the shopping list by tapping here on the delete button for each and every product. Otherwise you can tap here on the delete button to completely delete all of the products at once. Here you can see the order total, and you can also tap here on the create order button to add these shopping list products into the cart so as to make a checkout thereafter. And before we proceed further, let me delete one product for you. So for example, if I tap here, so you'll see this delete confirmation pop up, and here you need to delete the product. So for that, you just need to tap here on the yes delete button, and that would remove that particular product from your shopping list. So right now you can see now there are only 3 products, and the cost is $191. So after that, now let's see how the guest can place an order. So for that, I'll just tap here on the create order button, and that would navigate us for the checkout. And now you can see that the shopping list is right now empty, and within the cart we have those 3 products that were there within our shopping list. And here you can see that right now no items are there within the guest shopping list. So the guest can tap here and tap on the proceed to checkout button to make a checkout with these 3 products. So apart from that, for example, if a guest comes in, he basically adds some products into his shopping list but does not make a checkout for those products, and thereafter if he registers himself within the Magento 2 store itself, then the guest user would be able to merge his shopping list with his account that he has just created. So I'll be also showing that as well. So for now, we can tap on the proceed to checkout button so as to purchase these products as a guest. Now let me add few products into the into my shopping list. So I'll just open the category that's the tops for the woman, and so I'm at the women's category page here. So let me choose this particular product, and let me add this to the shopping list. Now let's add a few products more. I'll go for medium, red, and the guest shopping list. So these 2 products would be added to the guest shopping list, as you can see right now, and the cost is $73, and there are 2 products, as you can see. So I've already shown you the view details section, wherein all the details of these products are visible there, that are there within the shopping list itself. And now what I'll do is there are 2 products. Now I'll try and create an account first, and thereafter I'll show you how the guest would be able to merge his products with his newly created account. So for now, I've already have one of the test users that I've created, so I'll be using that to sign in to my account. So for that, I'll just tap here and I'll open that up, or I'll open the sign up page in another window. So let's go to the other page. So I'm at the front end on the login page. I've entered my username, password, and I'll just tap here on the login button to log into my account. And after login, I'm redirected back to that particular category that I was checking as a guest. And again, I have this option, add to shopping list. So as a user now, as a customer now, when I tap this down arrow, you'll be able to see guest shopping list, and apart from that, the user would also be able to, the customer can also be able to create multiple shopping lists. So now let me show you how to create a multiple shopping list. So let me tap on the my account button. Let's go to the customer page first. Alright, I've been logged out, so let's try and log in once again. My bad for that. So that's why it just showed here the guest shopping list. So after I've logged in to my account panel, Okay, so now I have logged into my account, as you can see here, and here I can see that I have 3 products in the cart. So these 3 products were added by the guest himself, and after the guest made a account at your store, he would be able to see these 3 products that as a guest you added it. Now here you see that we have one shopping list with one items here. That's the push messenger bag, and below that we have the option to create a new list or to merge guest list. So I'll show you how we can create a new list and how we can merge the guest list. So to merge the guest list, just tap here, and here in the shopping list you can see that we have the guest shopping list and the customer shopping list. Under the guest shopping list we have 2 products, so we can now basically see that here you can see now that there are 2 shopping lists, one for the guest one and the other one for this particular customer. And now from here the customer can basically go to the web details page and can add all of these products into the cart for making a checkout. So here you can see that initially the customer had only one item within the one shopping list. Now after merging, the guest shopping list is also visible within the shopping list after merging. So this guest user, when he becomes a customer, at that time this option comes up for the merging of the products. And now let me tap on the create new list and let's see how we can create a new list now. So I'll just open that up in another window. So right now I don't have the access to that particular create new list section. So here you can see that we can create a new list by tapping here on the create new list, and that brings up this pop-up wherein we can set up the shopping list name, and then we can tap on the create button, and that would basically create the shopping list for the customer. So the customer can add multiple shopping lists as well. Now I'm back to the catalog page, and if I hover my mouse over any of the products, I can see this option, that's the add to shipping list for the registered customer. So after tapping that up, here you can see that we had created one shopping list, so that is visible here. And we can also see the guest shopping list here option. And to create a new list, we can also make use of this particular link that is there on the category page or on the product page as well. So if I tap here on the create new list, this pop-up comes up. I'll set it as shopping list 34. I'll tap on create, and that would create another shopping list. Now on the right hand side, here you can see that now we have 3 shopping lists. One is the actual one for the registered customer, then we have the guest shopping list and the new shopping list that we have just created. So that's how we can create from the category pages as well a new list. And to add a product into any of the lists there, we can just tap here on the drop down, and for example I need to add it to the shipping list 34. I'll tap on that, and this product will be added to the shipping or the shopping list that we just created. And I've created one more shopping list with the name shopping list 67, as you can see here. So now we can go to any of the products that are there within the store, and we can tap here on the drop down, and we can as a customer can with the shopping list that we have created, like the shop list 34, shop list 67, or create a new list from here as well. And the other option is here. From here also we can create a new list. And to add a product into the list, we just need to tap here and then choose the shopping list that we want to add this product to. So that was how the registered customers can create the shopping list, and they can merge the guest shopping list with their own shopping list. and the customers would also be now able to proceed to checkout with the products that they are having within their cart, and tapping the proceed to checkout helps them to make a checkout with the products that the customer had set up in his shopping list. And lastly, let me show you how the admin can make the initial configuration so as to enable this particular shopping list feature within the Magento 2 web store. So for that, I just need to enter into my admin backend panel by entering my username and password. So you just need to navigate through stores, then configuration, and on the configuration page under the web tool block, you'll find the shopping list submenu option. So this option comes up after you've successfully installed the Magento 2 shopping list plugin, and under the settings you can just enable or disable the functionality for your web store. So that was much about the shopping list for Magento 2, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the plugin itself. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular plugin, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.